Yeah, man. But anything you want to have your sweet and spicy barbecue chicken with, you can go ahead, my lovely people. Hey, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my kitchen, Sarah's House of Flavor. I hope my lovely people are having a great day. If it's night you're watching, I hope you all are having a great night. And as usual, you're all welcome in my kitchen. On the menu in my kitchen today, I am going to make for you a nice, sweet, and spicy barbecue chicken. I'm sure you would love to see how I'm going to prepare my chicken. So you have to stick around. Relax, man. Watch this video to the end. So when you are going to make this meal, you will know exactly what to do. So my lovely people, let's go over and start our cooking. I have my chicken. It's already been washed, so now I'm going to add some seasoning. What I did, I blend my different form of herbs together and I get a paste. So that is what I'm going to use on the chicken. So let's just put the seasoning here. All right. And whatever seasoning you want to use, you can go ahead and use it on your chicken. Okay, so just ensure that everything is on the chicken, right? The remaining, and this is very easy to do. So for this, guys, I am going to leave it for a couple hours, right, before I start my barbecue. So that's how it is. So everything is rubbed in here, right? So now I'm gonna place it in the refrigerator. So now, my beautiful people, this is our seasoned chicken, right? We're going to make some nice hot and spicy barbecue chicken today. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start my barbecue process. So now you would place the chicken into the pot, and as you can see, my lovely people, I am using a grill pot. Reason being, this is much easier for me. After I cook the chicken on the stove top, just place the same pot with the chicken in the oven, just like that. So I'm allowing my chicken to cook for a while. Guys, if you could just smell the aroma, the flavor that is coming from my kitchen right now with all the blended herb, I know this chicken going to taste really good. So I am allowing the chicken to cook on one side for about 5 minutes. Then we will turn our chicken, allow the chicken to get that nice golden color. I like to do the chicken on the stove top before I place them in the oven. This will help my chicken to get the color that I'm looking for. Now, guys, as you can see, our chicken is ready to be turned on the other side, and look at the color. The color is absolutely perfect. That's the color I want my chicken to have. So now I am going to leave the chicken to cook for about 5 more minutes before I would place the chicken into the oven. But the chicken is cooking really nicely. All right, guys, as you can see, the chicken is ready to be placed in the oven. So now I am going to cook the chicken for about 40 more minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. But guys, I'm telling you, the chicken looks so tasty and juicy. So now let's turn my flame off and place our chicken in the oven. So now I am going to start making my sauce, my barbecue sauce. And here I have my ingredients, all the ingredients that I am going to use. So now I'm going to use a little bit of brown sugar, right? And this is something that I love to use. Sweet and spicy honey sauce. Alright, so I'm just going to use a small amount. So if you have your own barbecue sauce, you can go ahead and use it. I'm going to make mine. I'm using a little browning just for color. Alright. And I'm using a little fish, meat and fish sauce. Yeah, man. Here I'm using some hot soya sauce. Alright, this is a little bit spicy too. And remember, we are making a spicy barbecue sauce. I'm going to use a little bit of honey. So let me just add some honey here. Right, I think that's enough. I'm going to combine everything here. Right, and then what I did, I had a little of the seasoning that I use on the chicken, that nice paste. I combine it with the rest of the ingredients that I'm using to make the sauce. Alright, so as you can see here, look at my sauce, guys. You can see how nice that is. Yeah, man. Alright, so now I am gonna take my chicken out and add some of the sauce as it cook. Alright, so my sauce is ready here. Let me just give you a closer shot. Yeah, man, that's our sauce. Yes, my beautiful people, this is the end result of our sweet and spicy barbecue chicken. Look at this, guys. I go ahead and I serve it with a nice salad. Yeah, man, but anything you want to have your sweet and spicy barbecue chicken with, you can go ahead, my lovely people. I know, guys, you would love to see more of these videos. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, you are missing out on these amazing and delicious dishes. So please subscribe to Sarah's House of Flavor. Click on that bell so when I upload all my new videos, you will be notified. And thank you so much, guys, for being in the kitchen with me. And as usual, walk good. God bless you all. And I see you soon in Sarah's House of Flavor.